Good to see you this morning. How you all doing? So yesterday I showed you how to sign up on Amazon Associate. So today is the next one that we're gonna do, which is this. So this is the two you are going to make the money from. Okay. So what you need to do now is click on it. Click on the baby first baby registry. I'm gonna walk you through it. Just listen and do it. Okay. Baby registry. Now, what you need to do now is click on this button that says create a baby registry. Once you click on it, you wait a bit. All right, so that yesterday you already put your name, your last name, whatever, your first name, your last name, put your last name there. All right, now you're going to tell them when you are expecting your baby. Maybe you have a baby, you don't have a baby, don't worry about it, just put a date there. So let's say this is the month, this is so you're going to change this to next year. Let's say next year. We are in August, we are in September now. So September, October, November, December, March, April, May, June. Let's say June next year is what you are when you are expecting your baby. So just put June. Just make sure 9 months ahead. Okay. It could be 9 months, it could be any month you like, June. Just put it there. That's the time you're expected arrive date. So that's the time you're expecting your baby. Just put it there. Okay. Is this your first child? Yes. Put it yes. Where should we send your gift? Because they're going to give you the gift for your baby. Okay. So you put your address here, the address you want them to send the baby to. Send your gift to. You put your address here. So let me just put random address, my address. So put city, Lagos, state, select the states. The states, there's no Nigeria in this state, so make sure you select Nigeria first up here so that you have access to Nigeria. Select Nigeria. So when you select Nigeria, put your full name, put the address now, put your postal code, then put your phone number. All right, so let me put the phone number. So put the phone number. Then click on add address. All right. So again, go down. Here you say gift portion. Yes, register for Amazon gift card. Yes, register for diaper full. Just click on allow, click on allow everything. And here put 500. How many people are you expecting in your naming ceremony? Just put 500 there. So here, who can see your registry? Public, leave it like this. Just leave everything like this. And click on create my baby registry. All right. So now you have your baby registry. In case you want to buy anything for your baby on Amazon, on this baby registry, they sells babies things, but they are gonna give you free stuff for your baby at that particular date that I just inputted that I'm expecting my baby. All right, so make sure you put something there. All right, so that is how to do the registry. So let's go and do the second one. All right, let's go and do the second one. Go back there, click the wedding registry. Click the wedding registry. All right. Now, what you're going to click here is you're going to click on this one that say create your registry. Create it. Now put your first name here, your first name, your last name. Then what is your partner name? First name. So put your partner first name here. Okay, your partner last name. Okay, so click on next. What year are you doing your wedding? What is the date of your wedding? So put it here, the month that you're doing it. Let's say March. Then date, let's say. Now make sure the date is on Saturday so that you won't. Make sure you check your calendar very well. Don't go and put on Sunday there. So let me check my calendar. So make sure it's on Saturday. So I'm gonna select 5th. So year 20, 2023. Then click next. Then how many people are you expecting in your, just put 550 people or 500 people in your wedding. So let us know so our gift vendor, our gift advisor feature can help you pick the right number of gifts. So they are giving you a gift. So now just click next. Public, yes, click next. And here click on this one, this button to mark it, and click rate your registry. So here click on this one that say click to get started. All right, once you do that, it says congratulations. You can see this Joy Muji and Seun Afolabi, 201 day to go. Your registry is public. See, you see this? All right, so they are giving me a gift. One gift is there for me. So you just do the same thing. Even though you are wedded, I mean you are married already, just put something there. It's a gift and the money we're after. Okay, your wedding registry. Now this, if you're going to buy anything from them, from your for your wedding, you can also purchase here anything from $0 to $99. They are going to give you discount in case you want to do that. All right, okay, in case you want to do that, they're going to give you a discount. Now see all gift recommendation, so you can click on that and you are good to go. All right, so the next thing we want to do now after this is to go back to our Amazon KDP. All right, what we're just after is the one gift they are bringing for you. They will bring this gift to your doorstep. Okay, so next thing we want to do now is to click on now. After you finish the registration for the two, you are going to come to that your Amazon associate. The first link I sent to you, the Amazon associate, just log into your account. When you log into your account, so now you're going to click on this button on your phone. If you're using your phone, this button, you know how we do it, to this button to just change this view. When you start making money, is that you're gonna be seeing your money right here. Okay, start making the money. So this is the money. This is where you're gonna see the money. Okay, so what you need to do now is click on this place, on this part, these three dots, then select desktop sites. Now when you are in the desktop site, so that you can see something, so click on desktop site. Now click here, promotional, click on the promotional, promotions, click on it, then click on Amazon Bounty program. That's what we're doing. All right, when you click on the Amazon Bounty program, click on it. All right, here we go. This is where we are going now. What they are doing is that they are gifting people gifts, and they are rewarding anybody that propagate these news. I mean, that tell people about the news, about the gift they are gifting people. They are rewarding them. So the same way they are going to reward me with some dollar, the same way they are going to reward you with some dollar, because if you do this, once this is the link you are also giving to your people also. This is Amazon. So once you log in, come here, this place. You see this place, this part that says overview. Now you're gonna click this button that says see all bounties. Click on that yellow button. When you click on it, when you click on the yellow bounty, then you're going to see, allow it to load. You're going to see all of them, all the bounty that is available for you. Okay, that is available. Now these are the things that is available. So these are the link you also send to your people for them to register. Once they register, they give you $6. If you register now, they will give me $6. You understand? So these are the one you select, not everything, not all the program you want to help them push. You're also pushing the gift they are giving to people. So let's look for it. The Amazon Bounty and Amazon. The babysitting and the other one, the registry. Okay, which is this. You see this? This is it. That's the registry. So for you to get access to the link, to your own link that you're giving to people, click on this part. Click on that get link. Now again, click on short link. Then copy this link. That's your own link that you're giving to anybody that you want to give. Anybody, it could be, if truly the person is person is getting wedded also, you can give it to them, so that give it to them, they register. Once they register, they give them gift for their wedding. It's fun. Amazon is just doing it for everybody. So they will reward you because you tell them, you tell people about the program, giving you the dollar, and also giving the person gift. So that's number one. Copy the link, send it to the person. So the second one is the baby, when you're expecting a baby. So you go down. This is it. Okay, so click on this place to get your link. So click, it's already on short. Just copy this, send it to people. They give them gift for their baby, and that will be all. So that's all about the video. And thank you so much. If you're just joining my video for the first time, if this is the first time watching my video, please do subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I have so many things I'm gonna be dishing out for you guys. I've been doing it for years. Please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell, because when you turn on the bell, it shows you when I drop videos. Okay, turn on the bell and see you in my next video.